Number 3, assess your available resources. Normally, one of the key things happening is about when you do the estimation and planning, a lot of our project manager or professionals overlook the available resource which they already have in the team or in the company. So they are looking for a new staff and they want to hire, but probably that kind of skill set is already available in the company, and then probably is not really utilized at this time. So look around, having the right conversation with the right people, spend a good amount of time to understand the scope and how you really do it, and then you commit to a timeline. So that's why it's so much important that you use the available resources which is already have in your company or your team. Number 4, create a plan of the project. It's very important that like an example, most of the time, a lot of common mistakes what I see about the different kind of professionals is about they want to do agile, and they talk about agile and they want to do it in agile, and they don't make any plan or timeline. Agile doesn't mean it's a planless. Agile is all about sprint-based and iterative development, but you still need to define the whole lot of work you want to do and how you're going to do it and how many sprint is going to take. At the same time, if you're also doing a waterfall process, but you've been just keep spending a lot of time to doing a lot of requirement engineering, and finally you starting quite a lot of time later, probably that time the whole specification of the project has probably been changed. So it's so much important that you if it's a big project, break it to a small pieces and then you estimate it. So that is one of the great way to handle a very complicated project which is taking a long period of time and going to take a long period of time to plan it as well too. So you can just break it to multiple pieces and you can plan one of these micro projects to get one things done and move forward toward you're completing the whole piece.